In this video, you'll learn how to create dependencies in Notion. This process will help you manage tasks and timelines more effectively within your workspace. By the end, you will understand how to set up dependencies to enhance your project management. Begin by navigating to the Notion website at Notion. So ensure that you are logged into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to access the features available in Notion. Once you are logged in, you will see your workspace dashboard. Next, create a new page by locating the Add a New Page option in the sidebar. Click on this option and a blank page will open. This is where you will set up your database for managing dependencies. It's important to have a clear structure in mind before proceeding. After that, click on the blank space in the newly created page. This action allows you to begin typing and adding content. Type the word database in the line that appears. This keyword will help you set up the necessary database for your tasks. Once you've typed database, a menu will appear. Click on Database Inline from this menu. This selection will insert an inline database into your page, allowing you to manage your tasks effectively. You should see a new database structure appear on your page. Next, locate and click on the Add New View option within the database. This option is typically found in the top right corner of the database. After clicking, you will be prompted to select the type of view you wish to create for your database. Click on Timeline from the available view options. This selection will change the layout of your database to a timeline format, which is ideal for setting up dependencies between tasks. You should now see a timeline representation of your tasks. Type in the name for your timeline. This could be the title of your project or a specific phase within your project. Ensure that you choose a name that clearly defines the purpose of this timeline. After typing, confirm your entry. After naming your timeline, click on Done to save your changes. This action will finalize the setup of the timeline view within your database. You should see your timeline with the name you just entered displayed prominently. Next, navigate to More Settings within the timeline view. Click on this option to access additional configuration settings for your timeline. This section allows you to customize how dependencies are managed within your project. Click on Dependencies to enable dependency management features. This step is crucial for establishing relationships between tasks in your timeline. After clicking, you should see options related to how dependencies will function in your timeline. Select Shift only when dates overlap to ensure that tasks are only adjusted when their dates conflict. This setting helps manage your timeline effectively without disrupting unrelated tasks. You should see a confirmation of this selection. Next, click on Shift and maintain time between items. This option allows you to maintain the time intervals between tasks even when shifting dates. This setting is vital for accurate timeline management, ensuring that your schedule remains realistic. Click on Do Not Automatically Shift to prevent tasks from moving without your explicit direction. This setting gives you more control over your project timeline. You should see this option become highlighted. After that, click on Shift and Maintain time between items again to confirm your preference for maintaining time intervals. This option will ensure that your project timeline reflects accurate durations for each task. Now click on Turn on Dependencies to activate the dependency features for your timeline. This action is essential for establishing connections between tasks, allowing you to manage them effectively. You should see a confirmation that dependencies are now enabled. Next, click randomly on the timeline to create a text block. This block will represent a task within your project. You should see a new text entry appear on the timeline where you clicked. Type in the text that describes the task you want to add. Be specific about the task name to make it easily identifiable within your timeline. After entering the text, create a second task by repeating the process of clicking on the timeline. This action will allow you to add multiple tasks to your project. Ensure that you place the second task in a logical position relative to the first. Type in the text for your second task, ensuring that it is distinct from the first. This differentiation will help you manage your tasks effectively as you create dependencies. Finally, drag the arrow from the first task to the second task to establish a dependency. This action visually connects the two tasks, indicating that one is dependent on the other. You should see a line connecting both tasks, confirming the dependency.